Hi Ray, there is an issue with WP eMember and ScenicGem pages which are under its protection and the way that they load. So this page here at the moment, Coffs Harbour, is protected by WP eMember. And if I load the page, we'll see that it doesn't quite load the way that it used to. So a bit of an error there. The essential grid, might have to load it again to show you the issue there. So Instagram feeds still not coming in or taking their time. They haven't loaded in, but they will. Images missing, and I'll just try and refresh the page again to see this essential grid issue there. So it starts off as a small image and then opens up. Now, if I load a page that is not under the protection of WP eMember, it loads as it should, so that loads in fast. That doesn't have the little thumbnail over there, and all the images are loaded for Instagram feed. So I've checked it on a number of protected and unprotected pages, and essentially it's always the same. So WP eMember protection caching is causing a difference in between protected pages and unprotected pages. So yeah, that's essentially it. Thanks, Ray.